Hello everyone. So today will be a little video about unboxing, as my phone doesn't work so well to making videos. All my other cameras doesn't work pretty well, so I decided to buy this one, Kitvision Escape 4K 4K action camera. And my opinion about that, it's okay. I was aiming to GoPro Hero, but salesman convinced me to get this one instead of. It was a little bit more expensive than GoPro, but with this one I get a lot of accessories in the box right away. So it has 2-inch LCD display, 170 degrees ultra wide angle lens, so it's quite big. Now I can see on the box the salesman cheat me, because he said I can put up to 128 gigabytes card, but it stands on the box it's only 32 gigs. Okay, need to kill someone for that. 1050 milliamp hours battery, around 90 minutes recording. Yeah, built-in high quality microphone. With this I will discuss. Low weight, 61 grams. Yeah, it's make 4K 25 frame per second, 2.7K 30 per second, 1080p 60 frame per second. Yeah, file format is MOV. Yeah, with pictures up to 12 megapixels. Yeah, few modes of shots like single shot, burst photo, time shooting, something. And it also have built-in Wi-Fi, and it can stream live, so not bad. It's waterproof up to 30 meters. Yeah, okay. So that was the box. In the box we have dozen of things, holders, clips, charging cable, like belts for helmets, mount for bike, some gluing pads. Yeah, self camera, it's in this case. This should be waterproof case, so everything fine like they write down on the box. I already of course tested it, and first minus of it, when you have it in this box, your microphone catching almost nothing. You will have to stand next to it and scream to it, so this is not so good. I tried to open it up and record with the opened casing, but this is not the point, right? Second big minus is when you take it out from these cases, cage or whatever you call it, you have no possibility to mount it on anything. Only this this case has holder when you can put all those extra things and screw it to something. I actually realize then I will not dive with it in the water, then I probably can just make some holes in here in this casing, so my microphone will still pick up some voice, and as well I think I will make access to this charging port and memory card ports and there's one more for something micro, no, it's HDMI. Yeah, but anyway, I will be able to charge it when I'm using it, so probably I will just drill some holes in here and as well here where they have microphone sensor in here. So that's my plan. Otherwise, quality of video without this casing and quality of voice without this case, it's okay, it's fine, very fine. And yeah, what else was in the box? Self camera, just this for sticking somewhere, and then you just go with these clamps, put it on, block it, and that's it. It should not fall off. Of course we get manual, some screws, extra screws, some of course brochure with extra things you can get, and some warning if you are advised to test the waterproof case, and you are advised to test the waterproof casing empty by submerging it into water to ensure that it does not malfunction. Smart. Who will put the new camera directly in the water? Of course you will do it with the empty casing. I don't know for what they make such a things. Yeah, as well, this belt is for mounting on this bike helmet, and most useful for me, I make such a configuration. So this is like this bike clamp. I just put one extra arm just to make it longer, and this comes here. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, quite okay. As you remember my last phone stand, something like this, just piece of wire bounded together with piece of copper pipe, and as a weight I used some old drilling machine. So for phone it was working. I was actually thinking to make something with the wires to hold this camera without this waterproof case, but then I find out some old level with the laser, you know, so it has such a stand, so it's quite okay. Then I just take this bike clamps, put it onto this, squeeze it, and then I have like quite nice tripod. So soon I will about to test it. And yeah, the biggest minus of this, you cannot mount it without this waterproof casing, and you have no access to microphone. That's the main minus of that. Of course, every time when you want to charge it, you need to take it away from this casing. Also at the beginning it was set it up, then after every minute screen go down. That was a little bit annoying, but you can shut it off at the option, so this is not a big deal. Yeah, as I said, video is quite good quality. Price was a little bit more than GoPro Hero. Of course this Wi-Fi, and as well you have possibility to check out your video how it's going on the second screen. You don't have to look at the camera every time when you try to show something from close distance or something. You can connect by Wi-Fi your phone or tablet or something like that. At my tablet this app doesn't work. Of course, this provider give information that could be incompatible with my device, so that's fine. With my phone working, I have Android, but when I try to play it, what I record, it doesn't make any sound. Only when I just connect it to a computer, then sound show up. Yeah, what else I can say? Maybe I think this microphone in the casing is like doesn't pick up very sound when you, for example, driving on motorcycles or some loud machine or something loud area, then could be helpful, but in my case doesn't help at all. So I think that will be it. So this was this kitvision Escape 4KV. Actually they have a little bit better specification than the GoPro Hero, but the salesman explained me there is some kind of new company what try to go on the market, and that's why it's so cheap. So maybe I will rebuild this waterproof case and then we will see how long it will work. So okay, so that will be it for now. So have fun and take care.